Welcome to this video on a mindfulness tool that is super easy to use and also has the potential to look really cool. Today we're going to draw some circles. All you need is a pen or pencil and some paper to get started. As you begin, feel how your body feels in your chair. Notice how you are sitting. Are you tensed up or let yourself relax? Notice a sensation of pressure as you lean back into your chair. Notice how the chair feels pushing up to support you from underneath. Now notice how the pencil or pen feels in your hands. We're going to draw some circles. My video is sped up, but you don't need to rush these. Make sure each circle is fully formed, that it isn't overlapping its neighbours, and that it's fully closed. If you notice your circles are beginning to get sloppy, really slow this down. Feel your pen or pencil move across the paper. Notice how drawing the little circles feels for your hand. As you draw circles, your mind may begin to wander. And this is the point of this mindfulness exercise. Notice the thoughts entering your head. Acknowledge that they're there, but then return your focus back to the circles. You can adjust the sizes as well if you want, but make sure they're all fully formed, being mindful of how each circle looks and feels to draw. Remember, there is no rush here. Slow down, focus on the circles you're drawing, let them be properly formed and not overlapping any of the other circles. Take your time to have a mindful moment with these circles, and subscribe to Mr. H's Learning Resources for more videos like this one. Take care now.